Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your iPhone is paired and unlocked, because the Watch app controls faces. Open the Watch app and tap My Watch. Once done, locate the face currently on your watch or go to Face Gallery to pick one. You're acting now to change complications and layout. Make sure to keep your watch nearby so changes sync instantly. This step is essential. Selecting the correct face determines which complications and date placements are available for editing. You tap Edit on the chosen face and swipe to the Complications pane. This is where layout decisions happen. Next, select a slot that supports a date complication. Corners and center-bottom slots often work. Once you pick a slot, scroll the complication list and choose Date or a calendar complication that shows day and date. This gives you control over format and visibility. After selecting, make sure to press Set or Done so the change cues to you finalize by tapping Set or Done so the face and its complications sync to your Apple Watch. It should update within a few seconds. If the date doesn't appear, make sure the watch and iPhone are connected and try restarting both devices, because temporary sync glitches are common. Also check that calendar and clock permissions are allowed on iPhone and that the chosen complication supports the exact date format you want. If problems persist, reselect the face and repeat the complication step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.